Hello and welcome to Complete JavaScript course. Thanks for becoming a part of this course. This course is designing for you. I built this course for you after a month planning, researching and perfecting every aspect of the course. Why JavaScript, not something else? JavaScript is a really language, is power of the entire internet. It's allow to developer to add complex things to the website and web application. And it also allow to use popular JavaScript frameworks like React, Angular, Cycle and Node.js for all those requirements to know deep JavaScript knowledge. JavaScript is a really confusing and hard to learn, so that why I decide to build this course. So this really a complete course of JavaScript. JavaScript. JavaScript is a cross-platform object-oriented script language used to make web pages interactive. JavaScript is a scripting language primarily used to the web. It is used to enhance HTML pages and commonly found embedded in HTML code. JavaScript is an interpreted language. Thus it does not need to be compiled. JavaScript render web pages in an interactive and dynamic fashion. This allowing the web pages to react to event, special event, accept variable test, validate data, create cookies, detect a user browser, etc. JavaScript contains a standard library of objects such as array, date, and math, and core set of language. Elements such as operator, control structure, and statement. Introduction of JavaScript. JavaScript is a lightweight cross-platform object-oriented computer programming language. JavaScript is one of the three core technology of web development like HTML, CSS, then JavaScript. JavaScript is the most common part of web page. So this is a basic introduction of the JavaScript web language. I hope that you like this video. Please subscribe my YouTube video channel and get daily video updates. Thanks.